Okay, guys, this professional AI is absolutely mind-blowing. Opus.ai is still in the early stages and we only have a preview, but look at that beauty. As you can see, you can prompt anything, and Opus generates the 3D scene. You can literally create games by writing prompts. The game seems to be split into chapters. Unlike other generative AI like Midjourney or DALL-E, Opus prompting is done by autocomplete, which guarantees predictable results. We can easily imagine how the experience could change for game-building platforms like Roblox or Unity, where developers could now describe games and assets rather than create them manually. Games could be easily updated by gamers themselves. Who knows, maybe we could see the rise of community-generated games where players and developers are the same people. Please subscribe to our channel for AI, low-code, and no-code technical reviews.